In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Microsoft Lists. Start in Excel with your Donor Data Workbook open. The first thing Microsoft Lists needs is properly formatted table data. Click anywhere inside the data, then press Ctrl+A to select the full data range. After the data is selected, press Ctrl+T to open the Create Table dialog box. In the Create Table window, check that the selected range matches the full set of data you want to import. Make sure the box labeled My Table has headers is checked, because the column names need to become the field names in Microsoft Lists. Once the range is correct and the header option is selected, click OK. The data should now appear as an Excel table. You will see banded rows across the data, and each header should have a small filter arrow. That table formatting is what Microsoft Lists requires before it can import the workbook correctly. Next, save the workbook. Press Ctrl+S so Excel saves the latest version of the file. After saving, you can close Excel, or you can leave it open. The import process uploads a copy of the file, so either option is fine. Now, open your browser and go to Microsoft Lists. If you are prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft 365 account. When the Lists homepage loads, look near the top left and click Create New. The Create a List screen will open. This screen shows several ways to build a list, including blank list, from Excel, from CSV, from existing list, and templates. For this import, click the From Excel tile. On the next screen, click Upload File. When the file picker opens, go to your desktop, select the file named donordata.xlx, and click Open. Microsoft Lists will analyze the workbook. When the Customize screen appears, you will see the imported table preview. The columns appear across the top, and each column has a data type drop-down above it. This is where you confirm that each Excel column becomes the correct type of field in the new list. Leave DonorID mapped to the default title column. The first column in every Microsoft list uses the title field, so this makes DonorID the primary identifier for each record. Leave first name as single line of text. Leave last name as single line of text as well. Then leave email as single line of text, since the email values should stay as regular text entries. Next, go to the drop-down above Country. Click the drop-down, then choose Choice. This tells Microsoft Lists to treat the country values as selectable choices. Now move to Donation Amount. Click the drop-down above Donation Amount, then select Currency. This makes the donation values display as money amounts inside the list. Next, find the Status column. Click the drop-down above Status, then choose Choice. This makes each status value appear as a choice field. Now go to Last Donation Date. Click the drop-down above Last Donation Date, then select Date and Time. This makes the imported dates behave as date fields instead of plain text. Before moving forward, look across the top of the preview and verify each column header has the correct data type above it. DonorID should be title. First name, last name, and email should be single line of text. Country and status should be choice. Donation amount should be currency. Last donation date should be date and time. Once everything matches the value shown below, click Next in the bottom right. Now name the list. Click in the Name field and type Donor Data. This will be the name of the Microsoft list that opens after the import finishes. Click in the Description field and type Imported Donor Records from Excel. This description explains where the list data came from. If you want to use the optional appearance settings, pick a color and an icon for the list. Leave the Save to Location set to My Lists. Then click Create in the bottom right. Microsoft Lists will process the file. A progress indicator appears while the import runs. When the import finishes, the new list opens automatically. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now verify the imported list. Scroll across the columns and confirm the formatting is correct. Donation amount should show currency values, such as $500. Last donation date should show readable dates. Country and status should appear as choice cells, shown as small colored chips. Click any cell in the country column and confirm that the drop-down contains the values that existed in your data, such as United States and Canada. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the list and confirm that all 8 rows imported. The donor data list is now open in Microsoft Lists, with all 8 rows imported and each column typed correctly. Your Excel data is now a live multi-user Microsoft list.